Welcome back to Code with Hafiz. Imagine you want a robot to keep asking a question until the user gives the correct answer. Will you write the same code again and again? Of course not. That's where loops come in. A loop is used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Today we focus on while loop in Python. So here question arises, what is while loop? A while loop keeps running as long as continue condition true. A while loop is keeps running as long as condition is true. If condition is false, then it will execute. Let me explain the while loop with the help of simple example. Before going to start a code, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to grip on Python for the AI, automation, ML, data sciences, so this channel is for you. So we have while, and here we have some condition. If condition true, then the code block will be run. Otherwise, this loop will be exit. So let me write a code. I equal to 1, and here I am going to use the while keyword of Python. So while is a keyword in Python. I equal to 6. I equal to 6. I is less than or equal to 6. Print I, and then I want I plus equal to 1. So in this code, let me explain what I am going to do. So basically I start a loop. Here I initialize a variable I with value 1. Start from 1. The I start from 1. Here the condition while I is less than or equal to 6. As you see, we have the value 1 for I. If 1 is less than or equal to 6, yes, 1 is less than, the condition is true, then this will print us the I. Then on the next line, I plus equal to 1. Basically we are increasing the value of I with 1. So this loop will repeat until the condition become false. So if I run this code, you will see how the while loop is working. As you see, I am getting 1 2 3 4 5 6, because on 6, when I become 6, 6 is less than or equal to, 6 is not less than 6, but 6 is equal to 6. So this condition true, and we get the print 6. On the next line I become 7. Here 7 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, this condition will become false, and the while loop will be exit. So let me explain with new example. Before going to next example, I want to understand how while loops works. So in while loop, we have initialize a variable, we have a starting point, the I equal to 1, and then we have a condition. The condition will check how the initialized variable is equal, the condition will met true or not. If the condition true, then the execution of the code block inside this condition will execute, otherwise they exit the loop. If the condition is true, then this will repeat until the condition will false. I hope this will clear your doubts about while loops. And if I comment this code and run another code, let me run some other example, while true, and print code with Hafiz. And if I run my code again, you will see I am getting code with Hafiz so many times, and this is still going on, not stopped yet. So this is infinite loop, and this is working so on, and we have no option to stop it with the help of code. So if I press Ctrl C in my terminal, and you see this will stop my code. So how you will stop this condition in Python when you are working with while loop? So you will definitely get some conditions, some. To stop this, in Python we have two statements, the break and continue. What they are, first understand this, and then we will going to apply this and how this are stopped. So let me write a code. User input, I am going to take an input value from my user, enter exit to stop. If user will enter the exit, if user equal to exit, then break, otherwise print it, print the code with Hafiz. And if I run this code again, enter exit to stop, let me write code, not the exit. As you see, I am getting code with Hafiz, not. So if I run with, as you see, I am getting code with Hafiz again. And if I if I write the exit, here the condition will becomes true and it will break us this loop. The Python break statement is used to stop loop immediately. As you see here, when I write the exit, the enter exit to stop, when I get the exit from the user, if user equal to exit, then this will break, and break stop loop immediately. This is the example with using break statement. So now I want to explain you how the continue statement is working inside Python. So to understand while with break statement and while with continue statement, so how the while will work with continue statement, let me write a code. While I is less than or equal to 9, here I plus equal to 1, if I equal to 3, continue, otherwise print I. If I run my terminal, clear my terminal and run my code, as you see I am getting 2 4 5 1 2 4 5 6 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here question arises, where is our 1? Why not print the 1? Because here we initialize the I with 1, and here the condition I less than or equal to 9, 1 is less than or equal to 9. Okay, then inside this loop I becomes 2 with the help of this increment statement. So I becomes 2, we have 1, after condition true, the I becomes 2. If 2 is equal to 3, not, so this will print us. If on the next time I becomes 3, so 3 is equal to 3, yes, continue. That's why we are not getting here 3, and we get 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Apart from 3 we get all in this range of 9. So basically the continue statement skip the current iteration. When the condition becomes true, the continue statement skip the current iteration. So break and continue statements in Python. I hope you understand the break and you also understand the continue. The continue statement skip the iteration, and the break statement will break immediately and exits the loop when the condition will meet. So let me run one more example how the while loop is all actually working in the real world examples, in real world applications. Let me write a real life code example how the while loop will work. So let's assume we have a password and we initialize the empty, and after that while password not equal to admin123, while the password not equal to admin123, the password input enter password, and then we want print access granted. When this condition will true, then we will print access granted, otherwise we want the user to enter the password until this condition will becomes true. Basically in this code we initialize a variable password with name password with empty string, and while password not equal to admin 123, when the password is not equal to admin123, that time this loop will be executed. The password not equal to admin123, that very time this code will help us to enter again and again password until the password not equal to admin123 this condition met. So let me write the code, and while loop enter password, let me write admin enter password admin 1 admin 1 2. So if I write admin 123, as you see access granted, the password condition becomes true because the password not equal to admin123 is false, then it will come as here access granted. I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt till now, please comment it, share with your friends. Thank